Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I know that this is a little bit different from what I usually do, but I am in my car right now. As I mentioned in my previous video, the Jaclyn Cosmetics lipsticks review video, I'm actually moving from California, from Southern California to Georgia, Atlanta, Georgia, and I am currently in the process of moving. So I just left from California. I'm probably about 40 minutes from the border between California and Arizona. I am in the middle of nowhere, absolutely the middle of nowhere. I'm at a food mart at a gas station. I just got some water. But I thought that I would vlog my trip since it's gonna be probably about a 5-day long trip. So I thought, might as well make a video out of it and it'd be a lot more fun that way. So today I'm driving from California to Arizona, where I'm gonna be picking up my brother, because my brother lives in Arizona and he is going to be driving with me so that I have someone to co-pilot my car. So it's about a 4.5-day trip, give or take some stops. So I thought, why not make a video out of it and make it a lot more fun, and then you can kind of see our trip across the country. This lady's looking at me very weird because she sees me talking to a camera. Okay, so without further ado, I'm just gonna keep on driving, and then I'm sure I'll check in with you guys in a little bit.
2 days later.
All right, hello again. It's actually 2 days later. Last time you saw me, it was Saturday and I was driving to Arizona, but now I am in Arizona with my little brother, Harry.
Hey!
And we are driving to It's early. We are driving to Albuquerque, New Mexico today, and that will be my second leg of the trip, but your first leg.
Yeah, it'll be my
of the trip.
first.
Look at how full my car is.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Let's go! Vlog. So we are officially in Albuquerque, New Mexico. We stopped at a gas station just to grab some things, but we are officially 15 minutes from the infamous Walter White house from Breaking Bad. And if you know me, you know that Breaking Bad is my #1 all-time favorite TV show ever. I've seen it all the way through 4 times, and I could probably win any kind of trivia game that's about Breaking Bad. I'm obsessed, let's just say that. We're about 15 minutes from the house and we're gonna go see that. We also might check out the car wash from the show. We might check out Jesse Pinkman's house from the show, just because I'm such a huge fan, and just seeing these places in real life is just gonna be amazing. So that's what we're gonna go do right now, and then we'll be on our way to the hotel, which is like another 5 minutes away. So yeah, let's go see Walter White's house. I'm gonna have a panic attack.
Okay, we are.
Oh my god, it's at the. Oh my god, it's at the end of this road.
Show it on the map. Show the map. Show the map.
I'm freaking out. Okay, guys, we found it. It was actually down the street a little bit. Harry, you need to turn around.
No, I'm just nervous.
I know, but we have to see it. So so guys, there's a fence around this house right here, and on the house it says, take your pictures from across the street, do not disturb. So that's gotta be it.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn left here and then turn around again so we can face the house.
Okay, that's it. That's the house.
Walter, their mailbox was through the fence.
That's the house. Oh my god.
All right, come on. Quick jump cut,
freaking
turn
out.
around.
This is the house. That's the house. Holy crap. Just pull over. Oh my god.
See, that guy's looking too.
Oh my, amazing. Literally the show was 6 years ago and it still gets people looking at it. Oh my god. That's it. Oh my god, there it is. That's where he stored the big giant tank of methylamine.
This is the car wash on the show.
Wow.
That shit. That's crazy. It's so ugly. That's the ugliest building I've ever seen.
We're such tourists.
The next day.
Hi, Strudies. Gotta go to Oklahoma City today. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
So clearly we have just woken up. We are going to go get some breakfast, check out of the hotel, and then we're going to hit the road. And for leg 3 of the trip, we're going to be in Oklahoma City tonight. So we have about an 8-hour drive today. So we're getting there. I think after today we'll be over halfway there. So let's do it. All right, we are officially on the road again. We have 537 miles before we have to get off the freeway. We are about to cross the border from Texas to Oklahoma. And it's gonna be right up there. God, my bugs on my windshield are just disgusting. Okay.
It's freaking genocide up here. Where
Yeah,
are the glasses?
I don't know. Oklahoma, there it is! Woo!
Oklahoma!
Oklahoma! Another state down.
First exit of Oklahoma.
Exit 1. So we have about 151 miles left. He's cleaning all the bugs off the windshield. We're almost done with leg number 3. This has been a long one. I think this is gonna be about 9 hours today, so it's gonna be a long one today. He's so tired. So we are at, where are we? So we are at Olive Garden. It's been a long day.
I didn't even drive, and I wanted to, but you wouldn't let me.
I know, I did want to drive just because it goes by faster when I drive. So if I don't drive, it just takes twice as long. Now we're gonna eat some dinner. I think it's been what, 9 hours since we left Albuquerque?
We left exactly 9 hours ago, 1 minute. In 1 minute.
So it's been 9 hours.
It's 7:34. We
been a
left at
long day.
10:35.
There's our hotel. We made it. Look, it even says welcome.
Welcome to La Quinta Hotel.
Wow.
Oklahoma City.
We made it to Oklahoma City.
Look at that
Woo!
sunset.
All right, guys, that concludes day 3 of this trip. Is that right? I've lost count now. But I am really sleepy. I have my skincare on. That's why I'm looking really oily. And I'm ready to go to bed. So we will see you tomorrow for our second to last part of the trip. All right, we'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. Hooray. All right, good morning. So it's around 10 a.m. I was gonna get up at 8, but Harry kept me up all night.
It wasn't my fault.
He was coughing and snoring, and I kept waking up every like 30 minutes. So we're gonna get dressed and everything and hit the road.
Oh, now it is. Hello. Hi, everybody. I've got to go. You are behind the scenes. Should not go high. Mama.
We are in Arkansas. Woohoo!
about downtown Memphis. Here's the map. That little line that goes over the water, that's the state line. Boys and girls, welcome to the state of Nashville. I mean, the state of Tennessee. Sorry. Tennessee state line.
Okay guys, so we are officially in Memphis, Tennessee. We are gonna go see where Martin Luther King Jr. Was shot, where he was assassinated. It's right over there. And then we were gonna go to a place called Central Barbecue for dinner. And it's literally right there. we didn't even plan that. We were like, okay, let's go to the MLK thing and then we'll go get dinner. They are right next to each other.
She noticed it when we got out of the car. She's like, what are the
We didn't even
freaking
notice it. It's literally that blue building right there is that barbecue joint, and then that's where he was shot. So let's go check it out.
MLK Jr. was assassinated April 4th, 1968 on the balcony of the Lorraine Motel, and his car is still here at 6:01 p.m. It is currently 6:06 p.m., June 12th, 2019. I'm trying not to hit the door.
It's okay.
A few moments later.
Okay, so it is a little bit later. It is, what time is it? It's 8:33, and it's been a long day. I shattered my phone screen. Yay! So I have to get that fixed now when I get to Atlanta. But other than that, today was a great day, and I think now we're just gonna chill, and I'm gonna edit some a little bit, and then just get ready for bed.
The next day.
Alright, good morning. It is 6 a.m. and we got about 4 hours of sleep. 5 hours. I think it was 4 hours. Very nice. Syrup.
Continental breakfast.
What's in there? Oh, what's in the next one?
Not exactly sure.
Oh, biscuits and grits, I think.
It's not, no, Crystal.
Potatoes? I don't know. I don't know. The last leg. Here we go. Did we get, I think we missed the sign. Okay, well we're officially in Georgia. Woo!
Look.
Yep.
That's the state line. The vertical line is the state line.
Yes.
Yeet.
We are in Georgia officially. Hallelujah. Guys, look what we see up ahead. Look at that. That's Atlanta. Woo! We did it.
We're almost there.
We're so close. We're like 45 minutes away from my apartment. Wow. We did it, Harry.
Can't believe it, dude.
Oh.
the next day.
So I completely forgot to finish the vlog yesterday after we arrived. It was just craziness. I had to get some like essentials, and I had to go to the store, and I had to get my keys and everything, and yesterday was a whirlwind of a day. But I'm in my apartment now. I could not be happier. It looks pretty rough because I don't have any furniture. All I have is a bed frame. That's literally all I have. It's definitely a mess, but this is the before, and I'm gonna do like an upgraded like apartment tour later when it's all decorated and everything. But for right now, this is what it looks like, so I'll give you a tour. So here is the front door. This is where my TV will go. It'll be on a stand. That's my back patio. This will be where the couch will be. That's where Harry's sleeping. This will be where the kitchen area is. And this is my kitchen. It's very messy, but it'll look a lot cuter the next time you guys see it. Anybody who knows me knows that I had to have a candle burning. That's literally the first thing I did when I got here. And then this is my bedroom. Again, super messy, but this is what it looks like. Again, really messy. There's my closet.
Texas vlogging right now.
Bathroom.
Okay, so, alright, so here, Bob, let me do this.
Bathroom. Pretty standard. Toilet, shower. I have another closet in here, which I really like. So that is it. That completes this travel vlog. I can't believe we made it. It was a crazy long journey, but I am just so happy to be here. I'm so thankful to my brother for being here. He has been just such a huge help. Seriously, couldn't be happier here. I just cannot wait to start working, and I'm just so thrilled. I'm so blessed that I could do this. So the next time you see this apartment, it will be decorated and a lot cuter and a lot less messy. So be on the lookout for that video. It won't be coming right away because I have to, you know, buy everything, but it'll be coming very soon. So stick around for that. Okay, I guess that is the end. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.